Feeding Frenzy is now running a contest where we ask a question at the end of the episode. You have to write in to us and the winner gets to go on a date with Niru, Soumya or me and have a free meal. Isn't that cool? Our first guest on this show is Banu Rajan, who's going to join me to have my favorite dish, chaat.
Kailash Parbat is owned by Mulchandani brothers, who are veterans in preparing chaat. They are experienced foodies who started shop in 1940 at Karachi in Pakistan. They set foot in Mumbai in 1952 and their Chennai venture started out in 2009.
Feeding Frenzy is a nice context which has come nowadays in Chennai. A lot of people are watching the context and they are aware of fine dining and different type of food in Chennai. And we have Kailash Parbat in various places in Chennai, like Harrington Road is a new place. We are not only having North Indian food, our specialty is the Bombay chaats, and we have Sindhi food and Jain food, which they don't like the onion and garlic, which are also giving like Sindhi thali.
While I'm waiting here, I can't resist having a samosa. Perhaps I should just keep myself busy with the samosa until she comes. When you told me on the phone that you are a big foodie, I didn't believe you. But now I do. You're giving me strong competition.
No, I see your episode every week and I like that episode so that we will come to know about where it is, where the hotel and all. So we will see every time and my son also will see that episode every time.
Okay. So you tell your son where to go and where not to go, where to try what.
And they can try everything with his friends and all. So
Your son was actually telling me that you make yummy North Indian chaat.
Yeah, we were in Bombay.
You have to guide me on what to order.
Okay.
So we have the menu. So what kind of chaat do you make?
Pani puri, bel puri and pav bhaji, that tawa pulao.
Gosh, I'm already
Everything I will.
hungry.
Yeah,
Good, so I've got the right guest now.
yeah. So you like sweets?
Oh, I love sweets.
Okay.
Do you make sweets at home too?
No, I will not.
Maybe you should just start now. Now that I'll come to your house more often for the chaat.
Okay, then come, you can come. I will prepare new food, no? That chaat item and all.
I think I'm going to try anar bhog.
Okay.
Anar
And
bhog
then
and crispy corn basket.
Okay.
Sondesh at Kailash Parbat takes on several forms, from Anar Bhog to Raj Bhog, and Pratt wanted the Anar Bhog, but as luck would have it, there was no stock. So Kheer Kadam it was. Apart from chaats and sweets, this place also specializes in North Indian dishes like Chana Bhatura and Sindhi Khana. For Prat and Banu, the decision was prompt. Chana Bhatura with Sindhi curry and chawal. All items cost between 30 and 120 rupees.
Started in Karachi. Kailash Parbat was started in the year 1950 in Karachi in Pakistan. So they specialize in Sindhi cuisine. So I ordered a Sindhi dish. I hope our food is ready. So I ordered a Sindhi curry with chawal and a chole bhatura.
Oh.
I hope you like it. dishes are mostly characterized by onion, garlic and deep frying.
Okay.
Healthy, no? Deep frying.
Deep,
No, but they also have nutritious dishes. Koki, for instance, is wheat-based and all that stuff. I did read a lot about Sindhi cuisine, you know.
Arey wah. No, it's like different from Indian food. Taste.
Right. Though it's different, I like the tinge of sweet, you know, when you eat it. Actually, it's very close to Vethakorambu.
Yeah, that one.
Sindhis generally have their food with raita. I think we missed ordering that. Maybe we should have it with bundi raita.
Yeah.
One bundi raita. Looks like we'll be here till dinner.
Oh.
And then
It'll be
Kailash
nice.
Parbat will have to like literally send us out. If you want to have fun with us, all you have to do is answer the question which will be asked to you at the end of the episode. Are you having fun, Banu?
Yeah.
Right. So who knows, you might be the next one here on Feeding Frenzy. So meet you then.
And now your chance to win a free meal and a date. Simply answer the following question. What is the main herb used to make pesto? Is it A, parsley, B, sage, C, rosemary, or D, basil? Simply send in your answers to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com and tell us why you deserve the free meal and the date. The more creative you are, the higher your chances of winning. Don't forget to include your phone numbers in the email. Once again, that's feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. See you soon!